Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kiki Study Point. Today we discuss about the classification of number system. Now let me start. Numbers. Numbers are classified into two categories. Now first is real number. Real numbers, and the second is imaginary number. Imaginary numbers. Now real numbers are those numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and dash 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 are 0. Integers. Imaginary numbers are those like 2i, 3i, 4i and so on. Now real number are further classified into two categories. Rational number or irrational number. Rational numbers and irrational numbers. Now rational numbers and irrational number. Rational numbers like 1, 2, 3 and 1 upon 2 like that, and irrational number like root 2, root 3, pi, etc. And rational number are further divided into two parts. Number one is integers and second is fraction. Fraction further divided into three parts. Now first one is proper fraction. Second is improper fraction. Now third is mixed fraction. Now proper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is always smaller than its denominator. Like example 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 5 upon 7. These are the proper fraction because its numerator is always smaller than its denominator. And improper fraction are those fractions whose denominator is always smaller than its numerator. Example 3 upon 2, 10 upon 3, 12 upon 7. These are the improper fraction. Example mixed fraction. Example 2 whole 1 half, 3, 2 upon 5, 2 by 5. Like these are the mixed fraction. Now integers are divided into two categories. Number first is positive integers and the second is negative integers. Example negative integers like minus k1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Positive integers example 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the classification of integers. Two parts, positive integers and negative integers. Now positive integers further classified into two categories. First one is whole numbers. and second is natural numbers. Natural numbers. Whole numbers are those numbers which start from 0. Example 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the example of whole numbers. And natural number are those numbers which start from 1. Example 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the example of natural number. If we consider 0 in natural number, then we call the set whole number. Now natural number are further classified into two. First one is even number. Even numbers are those numbers which are divided by 2. Like example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. And second is odd number. Odd numbers. Example of odd number, those numbers which are not divided by 2. Example 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Here we write a note. Note first. 0 is the smallest whole number. And note second, 1 is the smallest natural number. Now note 3, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Friends, this is the classification of number system. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share and comment.